Hello everyone. It's been a while since I came online, so I thought like I should come online and do a numerology and tarot reading for all of you guys. So if you can see in the background, like I have crystal angel cards, I have wisdom oracle cards. What you can do, you can ask your questions, type your date of birth, and then ask. So let me try inviting two people, and if they can join quickly and ask their questions. So I will have to wait for you guys to join in because obviously it was not a planned live. So let's see if any one of you can join quickly and ask the questions. Okay. So okay. ओके सो इफ़ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन प्लीज़ आप टाइप करिए, आप अपना सवाल पूछिए, अपनी डेट ऑफ बर्थ कमेंट सेक्शन में डालिए और साथ में आई विल टेक आउट योर न्यूमरोलॉजी एज वेल एज योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ बेस्ड अपॉन योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ एंड योर कार्ड्स. आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर टू दैट क्वेश्चन. आप प्लीज़ अपना सवाल ज़रूर पूछिए और इस वीडियो को शेयर करिए अपने टाइमलाइन पे सो दैट अदर्स कैन ऑल्सो ज्वाइन इन. Okay, so that's the only energy exchange which is needed right now, and thank you so much for making my YouTube video live enabled and monetization. It went for monetization review, so hopefully आपके subscriptions आपके प्यार की वजह से it will be monetized, and it is only 15 days I'm working on that YouTube channel. So if you have any question, please, I can see one person watching. If any question, please type in and introduce yourself, share your date of birth, and let me know what question you have. Okay, so by the time you share your date of birth and your other details. Hi Sujog Somavanshi. Suyog Somavanshi. अपना सवाल पूछ सकते हैं. You can ask your question and type your date of birth and share this video on your timeline, please. Okay, so that's the only energy exchange which is needed right now. I can see one more person joined. आप अपना सवाल पूछ सकते हैं, अपनी डेट ऑफ बर्थ बताइए और अपना क्वेश्चन पूछिए. उसके बाद आई विल कंबाइन योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ विद टैरो एंड माय डेट ऑफ बर्थ इज 27 में. ओके, जय हो माँ, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. देखो, डेट ऑफ बर्थ जब पूछा जाता है सुयोग, व्हेन समबडी आस्क योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ, आई एम गेटिंग अ कॉल गाइस, आई नीड टू, आई थिंक इट विल गो ऑन होल्ड. ओके, सो अगर आपसे डेट ऑफ बर्थ पूछा जाता है तो इसका मतलब होता है ईयर ऑल्सो. ओके, एंड सुयोग शेयर दिस ऑन योर टाइम लाइन, देन आई विल आंसर टू योर क्वेश्चन. एनर्जी एक्सचेंज जिसको बोलते हैं, मनी से हो सकता है या इन बेसिक सर्विसेज से हो सकता है. तो पहले मेरी वीडियो को शेयर करो अपने टाइमलाइन पे, फिर आप अपना सवाल पूछो और अपनी डेट ऑफ बर्थ में 27 मई के साथ ईयर भी बताओ. टेल मी द ईयर ऑल्सो. ईयर ऑफ बर्थ इज इम्पॉर्टेंट. इफ आई एम आस्किंग फॉर डेट ऑफ बर्थ गाइज, it's day, month and year, which is DDMMYYY format. That is important. So ask your question. काफ़ी दिन बाद I came online after quite, I think 4-5 days back I came online, but that was like I was not interacting with you guys. I came here to thank you that YouTube channel got live for me. I have live enabled. I have a community button which got enabled for me. Live got enabled for me, and it's 15-20 days only, and you guys help me together. I now am working on 4,000 watch minutes because it went for monetization. They'll compare my content with the other people who are content creator on the YouTube, and with that 1988. So you please share this video on your timeline. अपने timeline पे इस वीडियो को शेयर करें. I'll get this here notification. Confirm that you shared, then I'll answer to your question. So thank you so much for making my video, my YouTube videos so good. And today I got a news that temples will open on 27th of June, and if you'll see my previous videos, I predicted it would be 27th June, which is Ganesh Chaturthi. Mandirs will open Shirdi as well as Vrindavan. So you guys will be able to see your deities very soon. Okay, थोड़े ही दिन बचे हैं, बहुत गया थोड़ा रहा. Cards for me please, date of birth. Okay, share. Thank you Sangeeta. Let me take out cards for Sangeeta first. Sangeeta, date of birth is 13/10/1969. You are driven by number 4, which is Rahu. 1 and 3, you could be a teacher. government job. I can see 3, you could also open an academy. 6 and 9 is like you are beauty artist. You are good in fashion, you are good in music. 9, I can see Mars energy, you are good in army, you are good in courageous activities. 4 and 5 and 5 and 7 is 12, which is 3. So double 3. I can see issues in your family life, Sangeeta. If you can ask a question, specific question, that which area you want to touch upon, whether your family, whether your health, or whether your wealth, then it would be much easier for me to take out cards for you. So guys, be very specific about the questions which you ask from the cards. आप बिल्कुल ऐसा सवाल पूछिए, जेनरिक मत पूछिए कि मेरी ज़िंदगी में क्या हो रहा है. So thank you for sharing, Sangeeta. I got your message. So Sangeeta, as per numerology, I told you there are some issues with your relationships. But you are a good teacher, you are a good guide, you are a counselor. You could have been a lawyer, you could have been a counselor, teacher, psychologist, and somebody who treats people through their voice. Family, okay. Yeah, there is issue with your family, I told you, in relationships. So let me take out the cards for you. So here we go. So I have Wisdom of Oracle cards. So the card for Sangeeta Chauhan. One card fell for her. Building blocks. Sangeeta, I think you are entrepreneur. You are a businesswoman. You can definitely be on top. Sangeeta, basically आपको build करना है सब कुछ. You are alone. It's a strength card. Yeah, there is an issue with your husband. Sangeeta, you need remedies in Jupiter. आपको जुपिटर की रेमेडीज़ करनी है, गुरु की. साथ में आपकी रेमेडीज़, आई कैन सी रेमेडीज़ कमिंग ऑन. अगर आपका वीनस डेबिलिटेड है, उसके ऊपर आपको काम करना है. और first card is building block. Basically you are working together, you are trying to hold your family together, but things are not going well. But the thing is this, let me take out one guidance card for you quickly. So one guidance card for Sangeeta. So Sangeeta, never ending story. Sangeeta, ये है आपकी story. Sangeeta, this card specifically tells you it is coming from past life. I would recommend you to do a past life regression therapy done. I am also a past life regression therapist. I am trained by Dr. Tripti Jain and I got online certified by Omega Institute by Dr. Brian Weiss. Many lives, many masters. You get in touch with me because you need a healing. Okay, and let me tell you guys what my healing fees is, so that when you contact me you are not shocked and surprised. It's 15,555 per session, and I do a review session mostly after 15 days. What I do, I'll check your aura contamination. I'll go in the spiritual realm. I do a past life regression. I'll take out your cards. I'll do your numerology. But if it is needed, else you just need to sit back and relax and do basic remedies which I ask you to do, which would include basic art meditation or basic meditation or maybe gardening or that kind of stuff. So that is needed. Sangeeta, you need a personal consultation. It's not like me. You can go on any healer. If you want any kind of guidance, you can definitely get in touch with me. Let me share my number here now. So this number is for Sangeeta, or anybody else can also send me a WhatsApp message. Okay, it's 7011. And Sangeeta, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel also. I give the quick remedies there. But your case is very specific because this card is karmic card, never ending story. Keep on crying, keep on trying, keep on getting defeated. Relationship is not going the way you wanted it to be. It's been age, a lot of factors. It might have inculcated a lot of health issues in your life. So this needs to be taken care immediately. अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं हो वाला चीज़ हो जाएगा, right? अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं. अगर आज नहीं करोगे तो अगले जन्म में करना पड़ेगा. So it's very important. Sangeeta, I hope I have answered to your question. If it resonates with you, just hit a like button. And I think I have not shared my number yet. Yeah, it goes like this. Let me pin this comment for you guys. Okay, it pinned. Okay, so now this is what the answer to your question, Sangeeta. Now let me get back to the person who asked me the question initially. It's Somesh. Where is Suyog? So can you share your date of birth again? I lost you. Pamela, thank you for joining. So what I am doing right now, I want your date of birth. I want this video to be shared in your timeline. Then after that, ask a specific question. Specific question could be, I want to clear my IAS exam. It's not like that I want a wealthy life. Wealthy life can be in different forms. Wealthy life could be good relationship, wealthy life could be good health, wealthy life could be a car, wealthy life could be a home, anything. But the thing is this, what you should be very specific in your prayers. I always say pray, sorry, I need to take some water. And I need to calm myself down because I'm just going like crazy. So इट्स अबाउट ये बेसिकली हमारा वेल्थ हमारे लिए मैटर करता है कि हमारी हेल्थ भी वेल्थ हो सकती है, हमारे रिश्ते भी वेल्थ हो सकते हैं, हमारी इच्छाएं जो पूर्ण हो रही हैं वो भी वेल्थ हो सकती है. तो वेल्थ के डिफरेंट, एक ऐश्वर्य के डिफरेंट मीनिंग्स हो सकते हैं. जैसे संगीता के लिए फैमिली है, सो योग के लिए कुछ और हो सकता है. पैमेला, फॉर पैमेला इट कुड बी समथिंग एल्स ऑल्सो, राइट? सो बी वेरी स्पेसिफिक इन योर क्वेश्चन. टाइप योर डेट ऑफ बर्थ. डेट ऑफ बर्थ मीन्स DDMMYYY format. That is important. Do that in that format. I have two kinds of cards, which is Oracle, Wisdom of Oracle cards, which is Oracle cards by Colin Red. You can ask and go to her website also. And I learned these cards from her. I have Crystal Angel cards from Dorian Virtue, where we'll try to heal you with the crystals and that kind of stuff. I'm an IT professional. I started working from HCL. Now I'm then Infosys. Right now I'm in Sapient. It's an IT organization. I work for financial banking projects. Then I am a healer. I'm a tarot card reader. I'm an astrologer. Basic astrology I know. I am a past life regression therapist, Reiki healer. Also Silva mind control practitioner, secret manifestation coach. Then I try to do very psychological thing. I'm preparing for state level civil services for UP and Rajasthan, and I need your blessings. The way your blessings give me for YouTube channel, which got live. I got community channel enabled. I'm in the creator panel now. They are doing my contents. They are trying to help me with how the contents can be there. I will be getting the ads soon where watch minutes will go to 4,000, like it's like 1,000 right now, and the way it is growing, it would be like only 10-15 days and I'll be monetized. It means that I'll be getting paid by YouTube as a content creator, just like we have Flying Beast, Mumbaikar, Nikhil, and different people, but their content is something different. My content is different. My content is related to healing, related to how we can make our life easy, how IT professionals can make their lives stress free, and how to breathe during lockdown. Okay, so this is all about this. So can you please type in, I lost your comment somewhere. Can you type in your date of birth? Let me search it for you. Okay, so it is 27th of May 1988. Live 27th of May 1988, which is 2 and 7 is 9, which is a number of completion. 2 is number of moon, which is mother. 7 is Ketu, and 275, 5 means business. It means 5, 1988. 88 means good family. 7, he has 7, 178 combination, good support from father. He's very lucky person. 88 money, doesn't have any issue in his life. He travels abroad. Right now you should not go abroad, okay? That is very, very dangerous, okay? Mind it. So 1, 7, 88, but yes, he could have relationship issues, because 88 is a tricky number. When you will have Shani Mahadasha coming in, which is 888, then he will have heartbreaks, okay? 7 is a tricky number. It makes you Bairagi, it makes you a yogi, but with 7, what comes a responsibility, very high responsibility केतु के साथ आती है. अभी हमारे कैप्रिकॉर्न में केतु बैठे हैं, जैसे हमारे जुपिटर बैठे हैं, मार्स पता है क्या करवा रहे हैं? एक्सीडेंट्स करवा रहे हैं. आपने देखा है प्लेन क्रैश हो गया है पाकिस्तान में. आपने देखा है हमारे मजदूर मर जाते हैं, ट्रेनों के नीचे आ जाते हैं. सर, आपको कोरोना नहीं मारेगा, आपको साथ में मार्स भी मार देगा. देयर कुड बी फायर, देयर कुड बी लॉट ऑफ टेररिज्म, ब्लड ऑन द रोड्स. सो स्टे एट होम. That is very, very important. Stay in the vicinity of your home. If you are going out, try to search for a nearby shop. Okay, you don't need to go out. If something is available at home, do it. दिस इज़ वेरी ट्रिकी टाइम गाइज। मैंने 27 जून प्रिडिक्ट किया था मंदिर खुल जाएंगे 27 जून को, शिरडी हो, वृंदावन हो, तिरुपति बालाजी हो, कहीं भी हो, उसके बाद आप कहीं भी जाइए। बट इस समय पे जब शुक्र आपका वक्री है, डेबिलिएटेड है, डू नॉट गो आउटसाइड, ओके? You don't know how Kal is working. You know, Kal is working like people were on the plane and they were hit in the ground. People were sleeping on the railway track. They were just destroyed. People were on trucks. They had major accidents and bloods all over the places. So do not do that. Do not take a risk. Always ask your maids and house helps also. Maid is a very negative term. To call them house helps, house associates, right? House leaders, you know, there could be different terms for giving to the people and they feel good about it, right? तो basically धन्यवाद मेरे YouTube चैनल को लाइव करने के लिए, कम्युनिटी चैनल अनेबल करने के लिए, मेरी इतनी जल्दी सब्सक्रिप्शंस बढ़ाने के लिए कि YouTube ने मुझे कॉल किया that we have, you are a very good content creator. So I got the tripod today and this is my first shooting from tripod. I wanted it from Facebook क्योंकि Facebook के लोगों ने मुझे इतना प्यार दिया है, मैं Facebook से वीडियोस करता रहा. It's been 2-3 years now and I've been learning since I was 17 years old and right now I'm 37. 20 years. Is it 20 years? Oh my god, 20 years. 20 years से मैं past life regression सीख रहा हूँ, कभी न्यूमरोलॉजी सीख रहा हूँ, हर वीकेंड पे. My family used to say, Arvind, what are you doing? हर वीकेंड पे आप जाते हो, 10,000 खर्च करके आते हो. Now I'm getting it back. My consultation fees is 15,555 and I take 100% assurance that जो आपको चाहिए वो आपको मिलेगा और आपको कुछ करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं. पहले मैं रेमेडीज़ लोगों को बोलता था नहीं होती उनसे, तो अभी मैं उनको बेसिक चीज़ें बताता हूँ. भैया सो जाओ, खा लो, है ना, कम खाओ, ज़्यादा सो जाओ, हीलिंग्स होते वक्त करूँगा. So these things are, who is Guru? Guru is like, Gu is Prakash and Ru is Andhakar. So it's like, I think, no, Gu is Andhakar and Ru is Prakash, sorry. So this is Guru. Guru को झाड़ पे छोड़ के बनाओ. जितना ज़्यादा आप गुरु के बारे में पता करोगे, go to my YouTube channel, go to my Facebook or see my previous video, then ask me a question, okay? क्योंकि मैंने भी इसी तरह से बनाया. मैंने ब्रायन वीस को से बात करी पहले, मैंने कॉलिन ब्रेनरेट से बात करी, डोरियन वर्चू से बात करी. I went to Scotland, I got myself trained and then in India like we Dr. Tripti Jain, Raj Mishra Janam ka, और we different healers like Bindu Maira, she's a very good tarot card reader and oh my god, it's so good. You know, पीछे करो उसको, ट्राइपॉड को, आराम से बैठ जाओ. It's like my life has become like heaven now due to this Radha Krishna. Yeah? So हमेशा एक किसी को शक्ति को महसूस करो अपने आसपास. And with this, no questions are coming in. Let me take out cards for Suyog and Sujog. Sujog देखो basically आपके relationship issues मुझे दिख रहे हैं. But let me see what the cards say. And I hope you might have shared my video because I'll check it later. Okay. One card failed. Round and round. एक चक्र में फंसे हो. 25 है आपका डेट ऑफ बर्थ भी, आई थिंक 27 है, 25 है, 7 है. आप एक राउंड में फंसे हो. आपको पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन की जरूरत है बेबी, बिकॉज लाइक पास्ट लाइफ रिग्रेशन. व्हाई? बिकॉज यू आर नॉट लर्निंग फ्रॉम द पैटर्न. दैट्स द कार्ड गाइडेंस फॉर यू. सो इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चंस, लाइक आई कैन सी 3 पीपल वॉचिंग. थोड़ा आपको नॉलेज ग्रास्प करने का भी टाइम देता हूँ, थोड़ा मैं भी पानी पी लेता हूँ, बिकॉज इट्स लाइक आई एम स्पीकिंग एंड सो लेट मी कीप क्वाइट एंड आस्क योर क्वेश्चंस. हाँ, एक मैं अपनी वर्कशॉप के बारे में आपको बताऊंगा. अभी मेरी एंजल एंड टैरो कार्ड की वर्कशॉप पूरी हुई है, जहाँ पे पाकिस्तानी लोग भी हैं, पाकिस्तानी एक्ट्रेस हैं, फ्रेंच के पर्सन हैं, देन नॉट फ्रेंच, लाइक फ्रेंच इज लाइक बिकॉज ऑफ हर अ फ्रेंच पर्सन came for the consultation who is a well-known actor there in France. I'm getting calls from directors and films and to write their scripts and to work with them. Print media I'm getting. मुझे इतना सब कुछ क्यों मिल रहा है? क्योंकि I'm working on my numbers. 6 नंबर मेरे पास मिसिंग है. आई एम वर्किंग ऑन 6 चेंज हुआ. लाइक जैसे मैंने 6 बोला, यू माइट हैव सीन लाइक चेंज टू 654. आई हैव राहु महादशा, 4 नंबर है, ठीक है. राहु इज सोशल मीडिया. तो मैं एक वर्कशॉप कर रहा हूँ 1 जून से. अभी एंजल एंड टैरो कार्ड की वर्कशॉप खत्म हो रही है. अभी जब 5 स्टूडेंट्स थे उसमें, and I'm doing a workshop like 15,555 is the rate, but I have 50% discount for the students. I have 50% discount for people who are aged, like more than 60 years. I do not have any discounts for the people who register me after 31st of May. If they are registering right now, it's like 50% discount due to COVID. 1st of June, everything will open. So 1st of June, if it is 15,555, but if you register before that, it's 7,500. You will get a bag. Let me show that bag. This kind of bag you will get. Okay. So a bag, as well as you will have some kind of crystals coming from Jaipur, because I have a friend. Then you will have something coming from Dubai. So I will make a kind of goodie bag for you guys, so that you can just smile and see the certificate. You will only get when you clear the exam. You will have 5 case studies. You will have 1 consultation, which is video consultation, which is must. If you do that, I'll provide a certificate to you and give assurance that by the time my company will consider in a healing community, and will provide you a certified that you can use that anywhere in the world. Okay, so that certification I'm working with Kyle Gray. He's a well-known oracle card reader from London. He is very nice soul. So I'm working with him to find an international certification done for you guys. तो 7,500 रुपये अगर हम अपनी सोल पे खर्च नहीं कर सकते, और उसके बाद अपनी कंसल्टेशन चार्जेस 15,555 ही रखने वाले हो, और डबल आपको गेम मिल रहा है एक हफ्ते में, तो इट्स अ बिग डील. जस्ट ग्रैब इट. ओके, अदरवाइज इट विल गो टू next level. So do that. Send me a WhatsApp message. My associate Harminder will get in touch with you. She has been Lufthansa Airlines trainer. She has joined me recently into my HR and marketing stuff to do, and we are getting our company registered. There will be a CA which we are working with. So Holistic Sciences, which will work on the holistic apps and holistic websites, because I come from IT organization, so I have that background. So we'll be working with Infosys, or maybe Sapient, maybe HCL or TCS, those kind of organizations, based upon how much budget we have. So that is the whole case. But yes, I'm not leaving my Sapient right now. I need to see how this business goes, because government come up with guidelines for small and medium scale industries, which is 20,000 crores. So let's see. Repo rate is going down. What is repo rate? Is a rate of interest which is determined by by Reserve Bank of India, in which it gives it to the banks, like it will give to HDFC, and with that rate of interest, it will earn it back from them. Based upon that rate of interest, if that is rate of interest is 5 or 4%, which is the lowest right now, तो वो क्या करेंगे, 4% से RBI से पैसे लेंगे, उसको 7.5% पे दोगे, 3.5% बचे उनको वो सर्कुलेट करेंगे. ठीक है, दिस इज द होल गेम ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल वर्ल्ड. So because I come from financial industry, I work with airlines, I work with Air Canada, British Airways, I work with Lufthansa, I work with Indigo Airlines, okay. I work with Interglobe Technologies like GDSA system, airline reservation system, e-ticketing. So I come from various background. Like I have 16 years of 16, is it? Yeah, 16 years, is it? Yeah, 2004 to this. 16 years of experience into IT industry. I have 17 years experience into healing. When I just went out, I think when I was 12, then I started realizing that I like the spiritual related books. But do not run from your current situations. नौकरी पे जाना है, खुश रहना है. हीलिंग्स में इतनी एनर्जी नहीं लगानी कि आप अपना मेन काम नहीं कर पाओगे. हीलिंग एक प्रोसेस है, उसको अपनी जीवन का हिस्सा बनाना. जैसे breathing is a part of our life, just like that healing is a part of our life. It is not our whole life. Okay, understand? Our work is important, our family is important, our marriage is important, our kids are important, our television, our YouTube, our dance, our music, and our entertainment. And even occasionally you want to enjoy somewhere, going out of a club, that is also important. But your main focus should be that you are getting healed. That is the only change which is needed. Okay, I'll teach you. Come and join Numerology Made Easy. We have, I think, 51 participants who have already joined my group. How many will pay? I'll not disclose that to you. Even if one comes questions, why don't you share this video in a timeline and let me open this stage for you guys. Ask any kind of question. I'm back. So ask any kind of question if you have. So कुछ भी तरह का सवाल आप पूछ सकते हो, और अपनी डेट ऑफ बर्थ बताना चाहते हो तो बताओ, या फिर डायरेक्ट सवाल पूछ लो, क्योंकि कार्ड्स को आपकी डेट ऑफ बर्थ से कोई मतलब नहीं है, न्यूमरोलॉजी को डेट ऑफ बर्थ से भी मतलब नहीं है, मुझे मतलब है कैलकुलेशन में, ठीक है. शेयर दिस वीडियो ऑन योर टाइमलाइन. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर सपोर्टिंग मी ऑन यूट्यूब. आई ऑलवेज से शेयरिंग इज केयरिंग, बी द पार्ट ऑफ द नेचर. दानवीर कर्ण बनो. तो आपको ईजी हो जाएगा चीज़ें करना. सो I bought a new t-shirt today. Is it looking nice? And new cup also, like it's matching. Okay. So what is this matching? I have number 6 missing. मैं आपको एक बहुत अच्छी टिप बता रहा हूँ. नंबर 6 मेरा मिसिंग है, which is number of beauty and ऐश्वर्या and luxury. If number 6 is missing from your date of birth, how will you see? Like it 27 September 1982 is my date of birth. Okay. नंबर 6 कहीं नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है, which is ऐश्वर्या, which is love, care, that's. So I brought this. I use perfumes. I use nice clothes, and clothes are very subtle. I bought this watch today. Okay, one of my clients paid the fee, and I bought it. So this is how it works. अगर आप भी सीखेंगे तो आप भी ऐसी सिचुएशन में एक दिन ज़रूर होंगे जब आप खुद काम कर रहे होंगे, अपने मालिक खुद बनेंगे. जैसे कि मुझे 17 साल लगे, मैं नहीं चाहता आपको 17 साल लगे, आपको 1-2 साल में ही हो जाए, क्योंकि I give that nectar to you. I'll not ask you to roam around the world and see. No, I've learned from 10-15 healers. I'll give you different remedies, and I'll try to accommodate in 4-5 sessions or 4-5 workshops so that you could reach to a level and you do it. And my mobile will always be open for you. It will not. I'll not show the tantrums. Ke, bhaiya, I'm very busy. Don't call me. Don't call me. No. If I'll not get in touch with you, my team will get in touch with you because they will also be trained. Okay, with you guys. So that is important. देखो, अगर आपको healing समता नहीं सिखा रहा है, अगर आपको हीलिंग एंगर को छोड़ने के लिए नहीं बोल रहा है, अगर आपको हीलिंग डाउन टू अर्थ नहीं सिखा रहा है, तो एक हीलर में और रावण में कोई फर्क नहीं है. अ पर्सन who is a healer, he should be just like a tree filled with lot of flowers and filled with lot of fruits. And if it is like a tree, it will just go like this. You'll throw a stone at the tree, you will always get a fruit in return. This is how the healers are. And if any healer is not like that and showing tantrums and showing anger and asking that first pay, then we'll work together or whatever, and after runs, do not entertain that person at all. That is what I have learned from 17 years, and that is the only guidance I can give to you. Be it me or any other healer, go around the world, search on Google, search on YouTube, search on Facebook, search my previous videos. I am saying 27 June Mandirs will open. Just try to search what I have said yesterday or day before yesterday. And I got a call from Vrindavan right now, and they told me 27 June, you were absolutely right. We saw your videos on YouTube. So कोई सवाल पूछो मेरे भाइयों बहनों, कुछ सवाल पूछो. I am talking to the wall. I can see myself. I am talking to my own self. I am just giving a watch on the comments. I am giving a watch on the number of participants who are joined. So ask a question. I can see people watching, but I dare not asking. Are you able to type something? What sort of questions, Suyog, देखो कोई sort of questions नहीं होते. Sort of questions are basically. I have shared my number with you, Sangeeta. Let me reply back to you. Okay, and Sangeeta, I always prefer WhatsApp. Okay, do not give me a call. I'll reply back to your WhatsApp and we'll arrange a call for you whenever session is there. Okay, here you go, Sangeeta. I replied back to as a personal message also. Okay. Sorry. My water got vanished. Drink lot of water. That's the best remedy for your moon. Okay. If your moon is weak, do not give water directly to anybody. अगर आपके घर में कोई मेहमान आता है, उसको इस तरह से पानी मत दो, पहले रख दो नीचे. Let the person pick it up. That's the best remedy for moon. Okay. Moon is your mind. Okay. Moon plays with your mind. तो अगर आपको mind के ऊपर काम करना है, तो आप अपने moon को ठीक करिए. अगर आपको ऐश्वर्य पे काम करना है, अपने वीनस को ठीक करिए. अगर आपकी हेल्थ पे काम करना है, तो अपने राहु केतु को भी ठीक कर सकते हैं. शनि को ठीक करिए. अगर आपको अपनी स्पिरिचुअलिटी पे काम करना है, तो आप अपने गुरु को ठीक करिए. अगर आपको अपनी बेसिकली करियर पे काम करना है, तो आप अपने सूर्य को ठीक करिए. So this is what the different planets are, and this is the basic I have told you. Like there are a lot of things in numerology, like Osho chart and combinations, and how name change, address change, and how do the matchmaking, what are different remedies. I'll teach you. So shall I disconnect, guys, because 4 are watching. Are you guys watching me or listening to me? Am I there? और आर यू थिंकिंग? सो आस्क अ क्वेश्चन, एक सवाल पूछिए. सवाल नहीं पूछते तो मैं एक जनरल कार्ड निकालता हूँ और उसके बाद आई क्लोज. ओके, सो व्हाट्स द जनरल कार्ड इन दिस ब्यूटिफुल इवनिंग ऑफ सैटरडे? जनरल कार्ड फॉर टुडे, नेवर एंडिंग स्टोरी गाइस. ओके, लेट मी रीड इट आउट. नेवर एंडिंग स्टोरी का क्या मतलब? नेवर एंडिंग स्टोरी का मतलब ये नहीं होता कि आप मर चुके हो, परेशान हो चुके हो, स्ट्रेस आपके ऊपर ओवर बर्डन हो जाए. नेवर एंडिंग स्टोरी का मतलब यू आर नॉट लर्निंग. आप लर्न नहीं कर रहे हो पैटर्न से. इफ यू आर नॉट लर्निंग इट विल बी नेवर एंडिंग स्टोरी. देखो सुयोग का भी आया था राउंड राउंड और नेवर एंडिंग स्टोरी, उनका मतलब एक ही है. सो लेट मी टेक आउट द गाइडेंस फॉर टुनाइट बिफोर यू स्लीप. क्लीन इट अप. अपने जाले उतारिए, अपनी किताबों को ठीक करिए, अपने सामान को हिला के ठीक करिए, अपनी चद्दरें बदल दीजिए. बेसिकली क्लीन योर रूम अप, क्लीन योर सराउंडिंग्स अप. दैट्स द गाइडेंस. And the final card is no place like home. Oh my God, look at it. How wonderful the card is. It's COVID 2019. I started that stay at home. And cards are saying no place like home. How wonderful. This means that the angels are here around us. Okay. So no place like home. घर से ही सारे काम करिए. वर्क फ्रॉम होम. ट्विटर ने बोल दिया अपने एम्प्लॉयज़ को दैट दे कैन वर्क फ्रॉम होम एवर. ओके, उससे कितने लोगों की वैसे नौकरियां जाने वाली हैं बिकॉज देयर इज वेरी एडमिन स्टाफ एंड यू नो देयर ट्रैवल डेस्क एंड यू नो लॉट ऑफ. बट सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है ह्यूमन लाइफ. ओके, वो इम्पोर्टेंट है. और आपकी आत्मिक उन्नति. तो ज़रूर मुझे मैसेज करिए अगर आप रेजोनेट करते हैं इससे. डरिए मत. 15,555 ले रहा हूँ. 15,555 के बाद मैं गारंटी देता हूँ कि आप इतने उत्थान कर चुके होंगे कि आपको, अगर आपको जिस चीज़ की भी इच्छा है, अगर आपको म्यूज़िक की इच्छा है, फिल्म की इच्छा है, करियर की इच्छा है, बच्चों की इच्छा है, ये इच्छा है, वो इच्छा है, हेल्थ की इच्छा है, ये सब कुछ पूरा होने लगेगा और आप सबल हो जाओगे, है ना. हम लाखों रुपए BA, MA, BTech, MBA करने में देते हैं, MD करते हैं, MBBS करते हैं, पर जब हमारी सोल की बात आती है, जब हमारी आत्मिक उन्नति की बात आती है तो हमें वो पैसे ज़्यादा लगते हैं. ये मेरे लिए बहुत समझने लायक बात है. मैं जब 17 साल की उम्र का था, जब मैं 21 साल की उम्र का था 2004 में, जब मैंने इंडिगो एयरलाइंस इंटीग्लोब टेक्नोलॉजीज ज्वाइन करी थी, मेरी 7,500 रुपये तनख्वाह थी और मुझे समझ में नहीं आता मैं उन पैसों से करूँ क्या. उसके बाद जब मैं 6 महीने बाद मतलब वहाँ पे आई गॉट अ कन्फर्म्ड एम्प्लॉय. इट वॉज 21,000. आई वॉज नॉट, oh my God, 21,000 is too much in 2005. It was too much. Like in March, I got promoted and I got, you know, एज अ परमानेंट एम्प्लॉई. उसके बाद फिर मेरी तनख्वाह बढ़ती गई. कभी 40,000 हो गई, कभी 60 हो गई, कभी 70 हो गई, कभी 80 हो गई, कभी 90 हो गई, कभी 1 लाख हो गई, कभी 1.5 लाख. यू नो, ऐसे करते करते ये हो गया कि अब मुझे अभी हम अपनी इतनी ज़्यादा चीज़ें बढ़ा. देखो, हमेशा ना 10-15% अपना सेव करके रखो और उनमें से 5-7% अपनी ना अपनी आत्मिक उन्नति के लिए लगाओ, अपनी आध्यात्मिक उन्नति. अभी सिनेमा हॉल खुल जाएंगे ना, लोग पागलों की तरह 5-5 हज़ार रुपये खर्च करके बियर की बॉटल्स लेके चारों तरफ घूम घूम के 10,000 पट के आ जाएंगे अपनी फैमिली के साथ. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू योर, इट्स नॉट लाइक मैं आपको समझा रहा हूँ हाँ बर कर लो, इट्स आई एम टेलिंग यू द साइकोलॉजी बिहाइंड इट. मतलब कि बाहर आप दारू पी जाओगे, you'll go to the beer bar, you'll do a dance party, you'll ask your friends to have birthday party with you, you'll spend 10,000, 15,000 just like that. But when it comes to your soul, when it comes to learning, workshops, you'll say no, this is not needed. Why? Corona has taught us everything is needed is you, not anybody else. No, none of your friends came, none of your relatives came, even your family members who died, they did not see their faces, you know. So अभी मैं क्या बोलूँ आपको, ठीक है. With that smile, let's change our mood. And how does it get any better than this? What an interesting point of view. Thank you so much for making my YouTube live enabled and community tab enabled. And thank you so much for extending the watch hours. आप watch hours extend कर रहे हैं, 4,000 हो जाएंगे, it will be monetized and you will see me more as a content creator on YouTube. Okay. Thank you so much. And with that, sharing is caring. So what should we do? Share. And for that, come with me. We'll share together. Thank you so much. Share the prosperity, not the money. Okay. Take care. Bye. Good evening, guys. Take care. Bye bye. And do send me a WhatsApp messages if If you want a workshop or personal consultation, बहुत महंगी है मेरी personal consultation. It's like 15,555, but it is worth it. Okay. Sometimes you need to understand your own worth also. Okay. So do that. And enroll my workshop, which is 7,500, 7 days. If you'll do the enrollment before 31st of May, it will be 7,500. If you'll do after the lockdown, which is 1st of June, it will be 15,500 for you guys. Come, join, take care.